I'm Alex, and you're watching Out in the Lights. Today we're looking at the new Faro Backpack from Bagsmart. It's a packable, ultralight, 0.94 pound, 20-liter capacity bag made with a Cordura nylon exterior that feels pretty premium for a Bagsmart product. And they aren't skimping on this one because you've also got Duraflex hardware and YKK zippers. It comes in 4 colorways, including the Mediterranean you see here, and the bag is going to run you a very affordable $70 US. This thing is pretty versatile in that you can use it for everyday carry, short weekend trips, or as a packable day pack to use at your destination. Some of the features of this bag include a sleeve for a 14-inch laptop, a removable back panel, a waterproof fleece-lined pocket for things like glasses and electronics, 2 water bottle holders, and a luggage pass-through. Let's see what we can fit inside for a weekend trip, and then we'll weigh it to make sure we're under that 7-kilogram limit. So what do you think of the Faro Backpack from Bagsmart? I'm honestly pretty impressed with this one. Bagsmart really stepped it up with the materials and hardware, and this is a nice little packable option at an affordable price. There's nothing game-changing here. It's just a well-made bag that honestly looks pretty cool too. So before we wrap things up today, let's quickly just talk about what I've been listening to this week. And I've kind of been on a Strokes kick recently. Just the other night, I was watching the MTV $2 bill concert from the Strokes. And if you don't remember that, they did like an hour-long special on MTV where they played most of their first album. It was directed by Roman Coppola, and it's kind of like a take on an Elvis performance, but it's really cool. And yeah, I don't know, the Strokes are just a fantastic band. They've always been one of my favorites since the early 2000s when they came out. I remember going to Borders and buying the special edition of Is This It? That came with a DVD that included a couple of the videos from the $2 bill show, as well as the music videos for Hard to Explain, Last Night, and Someday. And Someday is an amazing video. You got to check that one out if you haven't. They do like a fake Family Feud episode with Guided by Voices, and it's really fantastic. So with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.